transform your Nikon D5600 into a powerful webcam for OBS without a single cable. First, ensure you have the Nikon wireless transmitter utility installed on your PC. You can download this for free from Nikon's official website. Open the utility, and let's set up your camera. On your Nikon D5600, navigate to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, select Connect to Smart Device, and then choose Network Connection. Back on your PC, in the wireless transmitter utility, select Connect to a camera. Choose your D5600 from the list of available networks. You might need to enter a password that's displayed on your camera's screen. Once connected, open OBS. Click the plus icon under your sources window to add a new source. Select Video Capture Device and give it a name like Nikon D5600 Live. In the Properties window, click the device drop-down and select Nikon D5600. You should now see your camera's live feed within OBS. Now you can adjust your camera settings, frame your shot, and start recording or streaming your high-quality footage. Keep in mind, wireless connections can sometimes introduce a small amount of lag, especially if your Wi-Fi signal is weak. For critical broadcasts, a wired HDMI capture card is still the most reliable option.